In this video, you'll learn the basics of Mehndi design, perfect for beginners who want to create stunning patterns with ease. Many beginners struggle with intricate Mehndi designs, feeling overwhelmed by the complexity and lack of guidance. I've been there too, and I totally understand how frustrating it can be to try and create something beautiful, but not knowing where to start. The good news is that with some simple techniques and practice, you can master Mehndi design in no time. Mehndi design is all about patterns and shapes, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be creating beautiful designs in no time. We'll break down the fundamental techniques, essential tools, and simple patterns that will help you gain confidence in your Mehndi skills. To get started, you'll need a few basic tools, like a Mehndi cone, a mirror, and some practice paper. Don't worry if you don't have all of these tools, you can always start with just the basics. The most important thing is to have fun and be willing to learn. Watch as I demonstrate a step-by-step process for creating a beautiful design, showcasing tips and tricks to make it easier for you. Let's start with a simple design, just a few lines and shapes, and then build up to something more intricate. As I apply the Mehndi, I'll be sharing some tips on how to get smooth lines and curves. One of the most important things is to keep your hands steady and move slowly. We've covered the basics of Mehndi design, from essential tools to simple patterns, helping you take your first steps into this artistic world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite part, and subscribe for more Mehndi tutorials.